Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Power the Beko on and wait about 3 seconds so the control board wakes. Once done, open the door and confirm there is no active cycle or standing water. That prevents automatic locking. Next, find the Delay Start button and the program dial or digital menu. This is where the time delay lives. Press and hold Delay Start briefly to reveal the set time. You need control access before you change or cancel it, so don't skip this. Now you remove the delay itself. Press Delay Start repeatedly to step through the preset minutes, or hold it down to fast scroll. On many models, you can reduce the time to 0. Once the display reads 0, press Start or OK to confirm. This effectively cancels the delay. If your machine has a cancel or reset button, press that instead, then reselect your program. Make sure to choose the desired wash program after canceling, because the machine might still be set to the previous cycle. Finish by pressing Start so the chosen wash begins immediately. You should hear the pump or motor engage. If the delay won't clear, power the machine off for about 30 seconds to reset the electronics, then repeat the cancel steps. This clears temporary faults. Make sure the door is fully closed and the child lock is off, because those can block commands. If an error code or persistent lock remains, consult the manual for that code and contact service if necessary. It's often an electronics or door sensor issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.